Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Jingle Bells, and we're going to do the chords and the melody on piano. So we're going to do this in the key of C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And we're going to only need 5 of those notes, C through G, to play the tune of Jingle Bells. So you can use finger 1, which is your thumb, on C. We're going to call this our note 1. Then finger 2 on note 2, finger 3 on note 3, finger 4 on note 4, finger 5 on note 5. If you go into this video's description, you'll find links to 2 different chord charts for this song that show the melody in 2 different ways. One is going to refer to the notes by their actual names, C, D, E, F, G, and the other one is going to refer to them by their numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those are the numbers showing the order in which these notes appear in the scale. So use whichever method that you want, and as I play the melody of the song, you're going to actually see both methods displayed on the screen, so you can follow whichever one you choose. So let's get started just by playing through the melody. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now we're going to add the chords, and there's only 3 chords in this song. They're all white notes, and they're each played just by playing every other white note. First we have C major, which will be for any time you see the chord C displayed in the chord chart, and that's going to be the note C, skip a white note, E, skip a white note, G. And we're always going to use fingers 1, 3, and 5, the thumb, the middle, and the pinky, to play chords. The next chord is going to be an F, F, A, C. And then the last chord is going to be a G, G, B, D. All right, so now let's combine the chords and the melodies and play the verse of Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hope you found that helpful, and if you did, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Thanks so much, and God bless.